Alright guys, so I changed this water heater out yesterday. This is the old one. I actually didn't make a video of the new one just because of the time, but this one's all clogged up. I was going to show you what's inside of it once I get this piece off. So there's that part. Sometimes this washer gets stuck in there and it won't let the water drain out of it. Another little tip, if you're going to replace these plastic ones, be careful because they will snap and half the threads will be stuck inside the water heater. So, get this discussion off there so maybe you can see. It's pretty clogged up. A lot of stuff in there. So you should always drain it at least once a year, or else when you go to replace your water heater it won't drain properly because it's all clogged up in here. So this side is actually fine. That's all fine, it's just in the valve. So try to drain them once a year. You won't get all the sediment out of it because it makes like a trough basically, and like if you have like a layer of sand and you put water in it, it kind of makes a trough. But at least if you have a problem with it, to work on it, you'll be able to drain it down without any issues. This one didn't want to drain, so it took a while. And there's all the crap that's in the bottom of it. All that sediment and dirt. Just nasty built up with just years of not draining it. So you see all like little particles, like the sand particles. That's what clogs that up. So you want to avoid that if possible. Flush it out. Oh yeah, she's a dirty one. No wonder it wouldn't drain yesterday. There's probably another 2 or 3 gallons of water in there. So always drain your heater at least once a year. Try to avoid that problem.